Stop flying blind. For years, drone pilots have had to choose. Do you chase the adrenaline rush of FPV, with its speed, its tight corners, and its high-risk, high-reward shots? Or do you choose the creative freedom of 360-degree video, where you capture everything and worry about the perfect angle later? For years, it was an impossible choice. But today, the rules change. We have infiltrated the deepest corners of the drone community, poring over FCC filings, leaked manuals, and internal design documents to bring you the truth about DJI's most ambitious, most disruptive drone to date, the DJI Avata 360. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is not just the Avata 3. It is not just an FPV drone with a slightly wider camera. This is a category killer that has its competitors scrambling. And in the next 30 minutes, we are going to dissect the 3 central secrets that make the Avata 360 the only drone you will want to fly in 2025. The impossible sensor, native 8K spherical video. The first impossible feature is right up front, and it's the core of the 360 revolution. Forget the tiny sensor of the original Avata. The Avata 360 is confirmed to house a dual-lens 8K camera system. Dual 1/1.1-inch sensors. That's a huge leap in light-gathering capability, working together to capture the entire world around you. But the real magic is the word native. You are not duct-taping an action camera to this drone. This system is fully integrated, which means the drone itself is engineered to vanish from the footage. You get the floating camera effect, placing your viewer directly in the scene with zero blind spots, thanks to advanced, real-time stitching algorithms. Think about the creative implications. You can fly the drone straight and fast, then in post-production, you can pan, tilt, and zoom a virtual camera anywhere within that 8K sphere. This is the death of reflying a shot because your framing was slightly off. Need a tiny planet effect? It's a click away. Need to track a subject that moved outside your standard FPV frame? You've already captured it. This changes the entire workflow from the moment you hit record. The hybrid flight system, FPV muscle meets 360 brains. The second secret is how DJI engineers solve the great paradox. How do you keep the agility and speed of an FPV drone while carrying the weight of a complex dual sensor system and its massive battery? The answer is a complete redesign. Leaks point to a new, highly efficient motor and prop design, confirmed by FCC power readings, delivering a rumored 28 to 31 minutes of flight time. That's a huge 26% capacity boost over the Avata 2. For an FPV drone, that's not an upgrade, that's a game changer. It means more confidence, more distance, and less landing anxiety. But the centerpiece of the hybrid system is the camera housing itself. The Avata 360 features a rotating camera mechanism. In 360 mode, the drone focuses on seamless spherical capture. But with a flip of a switch, it rotates to a dedicated forward-facing orientation for traditional, high-speed FPV and cinematic shots. This ability to instantly switch between full spherical capture and a stabilized forward 4K 120 frames per second mode makes it the ultimate workhorse for professional content creators who need both styles